Figure 3 shows a sketch of the plan view of a platform. The plan view of the platform consists of a sector DOC, so DOC, this sector, along with another sector AOBEA of a different circle, also with center O. Given that angle AOB is equal to 0.8 radians, that is, this angle is given here as 0.8 radians. Make sure that your calculator is in radians mode. Arc length CD is equals to 9 meters. So we have CD as 9 meter. DA is to AO, that is DA is to AO is given as 3 is to 5. Show that AO, this length, the radius of this circle, we need to prove that it is 7.03. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the radius of this sector. To find out the radius of this sector, arc length is given and the angle is also given. We know the formula L is equals to R theta. Therefore, R will be L over theta. The arc length is given as 9 and the angle is given as 0.8. So when you divide 9 by 0.8, you will get it as 11.25 meter. 11.25 meter will be the radius of this sector DOC. Now, we need to prove that it's given that the ratio is 3 is to 5. So 3 is to 5. To find out this ratio, that is 5 divided by total ratio, that is 3 plus 5 is 8, multiplied by the total length. The length here, we already know the radius is 11.25. 11.25. We just put this in calculator. 5 into 11.25. 5 into 11.25 divided by 8. You will get it as 7.03125. So this will be 7.03 when you correct it to 3 significant figures. So we proved that AO is equals to 7.03. So this is AO. First part is done. Now for the B part, so this was A part. Now we have B. So for B part, find the perimeter of the platform. Perimeter of the platform, you need to understand that the dotted lines are not considered as perimeter. Only the solid lines are considered as perimeter. So in order to find out the perimeter, I'm going to start from this point, and I'll come all the way back to that point. So CD plus DA plus AB all the way, AB plus BC. We need to find out all these length and you add them up to get the perimeter. So CD, we know it's 9 meter. We need to find out what DA is. To find out what DA from the radius, that is OD, we already got it as 11.25. You subtract AO. AO, we got it as 7.03125. So when we subtract this 11.25 minus 7.03125, you will get it as 4.21875. Approximately 3 significant figures, we can take it as 4.22. 4.22 will be DA. Now we need to find out what AB is. So to find out AB, if this is 0.8, the angle over here will be 2 pi. The angle around a point is 360 degrees, or in radians 2 pi. So from 2 pi you subtract 0.8, you will get the angle as 5.48. You will get the angle as 5.48. That is 2 pi minus 0.8, 5.483, but for 3 significant figures, I'll just take it as 5.48. So to find out AB, arc length, L is equals to R theta. So radius for this sector, the radius we know it is What was the radius? It's not 5. It was the ratio given as 5. So this was 7.03 and this is 4.22. So L is equals to R theta. Radius is 7.03 multiplied by the angle is 5.48. When you multiply this 5.48 with 7.03, you will get the answer as 38.5, correct to three significant figures. 38.5 meter, correct to three significant figures. So we have CD, we have DA, we have AB, and BC. You know, BC is same as what? AD itself. So BC is also 4.22. And you know, AB we got it as 38.5. Therefore, perimeter will be, that is CD 9 plus DA, that is 4.22, plus AB, that is 38.5, plus BC, again 4.22. When you add them up, you will get 9 plus 4.22 plus 4.22 plus 38.5, that is 55.94. 55.94, and then it's given that find the perimeter in meter to three significant figures. So three significant figures, this will be 55.9 or approximately 56.0 meters will be the perimeter. Now the last part, that is C, find the area of the platform. Giving your answer in meters square to the nearest whole number. It's easy. First, we find out the area of this sector. Then you find out the area of the next sector, this first sector, and this is the second sector. Find the area and then add them both. So let's first find out the area of the first sector. You know, the formula is half r square theta. For the first sector, the radius is 11.25 into theta, the angle here is 0.8. So basically 11.25 times 0.4, 11.25 multiplied by 0.4 will give us 4.5. Oh, sorry, 11.25 square it is. So 11.25 square multiplied by 0.4. That will give us 50.625. 50.625. Next one, area of the second sector. Again, the same formula, half of r square theta. For the second sector, the radius we know it is 7.03. So half of 7.03 square into theta we know it is 5.48. So 7.03 square multiplied by 5.48. The whole thing divided by 2 will give us 135.4. So let's just add them both, area of the first plus area of the second, which will give us 135.4 plus 50.625. We'll get it as 186 meters square. So that is the C part. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.